Hi, in this video I'll show you how to change the interior light dimming time on a Honda Odyssey. The dimming time is the length of time the interior light stays on after you close the door. The factory default setting is 30 seconds. We will be using the information screen to change the time. First step is to turn the van on by pressing the engine start button twice. Press the settings button. Then select vehicle settings from the menu. Press enter. Scroll down and select interior light dimming time. Press enter. Here we have options to select either 60 seconds, 30 seconds or 15 seconds. Select the appropriate one and press enter. To confirm the selection, we have to do one more thing. Push this dial down, then press enter. So that's how we change the dimming time. Hope this was helpful and thanks for watching.